Discovering inner peace with the things you can see only when you slow down. About the book and author. The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down is a best-selling book by Haemin Sunim, a renowned Zen Buddhist teacher from South Korea. Born in 1973, Haemin pursued higher education in the United States, attending UC Berkeley, Harvard, and Princeton. After completing his studies, he received formal monastic training at Haemin Monastery in South Korea and later taught Asian religions at Hampshire College in Massachusetts. His teachings blend Eastern philosophy with Western sensibilities, making them accessible to a global audience. The book has sold over 4 million copies worldwide and has been translated into more than 35 languages. Introduction to the book. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Haemin Sunim's The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down offers gentle guidance on finding calm and clarity amidst the chaos. Through a series of short essays and reflections, the book encourages readers to pause, breathe, and appreciate the present moment. Accompanied by beautiful illustrations, it serves as a reminder that slowing down can lead to deeper understanding and inner peace. 1. To rest. Haemin begins by emphasizing the importance of rest. He notes that when we feel tired or overwhelmed, it's a signal from our body and mind to slow down. Rest isn't just about sleep, it's about giving ourselves permission to pause and recharge. By doing so, we can approach life with renewed energy and clarity. 2. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. Haemin explains that by paying attention to our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we can better understand ourselves and our reactions. This awareness allows us to respond to situations more thoughtfully, rather than reacting impulsively. Mindfulness helps us find peace in everyday activities, from eating to walking to conversing with others. 3. Passion. In this chapter, Haemin discusses the role of passion in our lives. He encourages readers to pursue what genuinely excites them, rather than what society deems successful. By aligning our actions with our true interests, we can lead more fulfilling and authentic lives. Passion isn't about grand achievements, it's about finding joy in what we do. 4. Relationships. Relationships are a central theme in Haemin's teachings. He emphasizes the importance of empathy, understanding, and open communication. By truly listening to others and expressing ourselves honestly, we can build deeper connections. Haemin also reminds us to be patient and forgiving, both with others and ourselves, recognizing that everyone has their own struggles. 5. Love. In this chapter, Haemin Sunim delves into the multifaceted nature of love. He emphasizes that love begins with self-acceptance. By acknowledging and embracing our imperfections, we create a foundation for genuine connections with others. Sunim advises that understanding and patience are key components of love, urging readers to listen deeply and communicate openly. He reminds us that love is not about perfection, but about embracing each other's flaws with compassion. 6th Life. Sunim encourages readers to find joy in the present moment. He suggests that life's beauty often lies in simple experiences, like a walk in nature or a shared meal with loved ones. By slowing down and being fully present, we can appreciate these moments more deeply. Sunim also discusses the importance of resilience, advising that challenges are opportunities for growth and self-discovery. 7. The future. Addressing concerns about the future, Sunim advises readers to focus on the present. He notes that excessive worry about what's to come can lead to unnecessary stress and anxiety. By concentrating on current actions and decisions, we can shape a more positive future. Sunim emphasizes trust in the process of life, encouraging readers to have faith that things will unfold as they should. 8. Spirituality. In the final chapter, Sunim explores the concept of spirituality beyond religious practices. He describes it as a personal journey toward inner peace and understanding. Sunim encourages readers to engage in practices like meditation and mindfulness to connect with their inner selves. He believes that by nurturing our spiritual well-being, we can lead more balanced and fulfilling lives. Conclusion: embracing stillness for a fulfilling life. The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down offers gentle guidance on navigating life's complexities with grace and mindfulness. Haemin Sunim's insights remind us that by slowing down, we can connect more deeply with ourselves and others. The book encourages self-compassion, presence, and trust in life's journey. What we can learn from the book: self-compassion. Embracing our imperfections allows for deeper connections with others. Mindful living. Being present in the moment enhances our appreciation for life's simple pleasures. Resilience. Viewing challenges as opportunities fosters personal growth. Trust in life. Focusing on the present reduces anxiety about the future. Spiritual connection. Engaging in mindfulness practices nurtures inner peace. By integrating these lessons into our daily lives, we can cultivate a sense of calm and fulfillment amidst the chaos of the modern world.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!